If you're still trying to grow a YouTube channel by making generic AI faceless videos or top 10 lists, you are fighting a losing battle. The 2026 algorithm has moved on, and if you haven't noticed, the uncanny valley isn't a scary place anymore. It's a goldmine. Right now, there are a few specific AI-driven niches that are pulling in millions of views with almost zero human filming. In this video, I am going to share 3 viral niches and also share 3 methods of creating the video. So, let's dive in. Okay, let's talk about niche number 1, talking vegetables. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this just the annoying orange from 2010? Not even close. In 2026, AI talking vegetables has evolved into something much more cinematic and strangely addictive. Look at this channel. They are getting millions of views. And the best part is there are not so many channels making this video. So, I think this is quite a potential niche. Let's make our first talking vegetables video. To create the video, we will follow 4 steps: generating a prompt, generating images, generating video, and editing video. You can use ChatGPT or other LLM to generate the prompt, any image generator to generate the image, and any video generator to turn the images into videos. However, for the first niche, I will use ChatLLM because it allows access to all the LLMs along with all the powerful image and video generators. By the way, you will find all the tools and prompts links in the description. Alright, this is the ChatLLM team interface. First, we have to generate the prompts. I already have a prompt guide to generate all the scene prompts. I am copying the prompt and then entering it in the text box. Now you can select the LLM model. I am selecting the GPT 5.2 model. Once I hit the enter button, it will ask for the item we need. For example, I am entering carrots and pressing the enter button. In return, GPT 5.2 will provide us 2 very detailed prompts. First one is to create the image, and the second one is to turn the image into a video. Since the prompt is ready, let's create the image. To create the image, select the image option under the prompt box. Now select the image generation model from this vast library of image generation tools. For example, I am selecting the Nano Banana Pro model. Next, copy the image prompt and then paste it here. After entering the prompt, set the number of images, aspect ratio, resolution, and other settings. Once done, hit the Generate Image button and then wait for some time. And here it is. The image is ready. And look at the image. This is just perfect. Now we have to save one of the images from here and move forward to the next step, video generation. To generate the video, click on the More option from here. You will find a bunch of options. We just have to select the video generation option. Now, like image generation, you will find all the popular video generator models here. You can select any of them. I am selecting the Sora 2 model. Now, copy the video generation prompt and enter it here in this box. Next, we have to upload the image. I am uploading the image I just created. Next, set the mode, duration, and resolution. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button and wait for some time. And here it is. The video is ready.
Hey, I'm Carrot. I'm here to help you feel strong and bright. Crunch me, and I'll fuel your day. Choose me today. Your body will thank you.
This is really amazing. The movement, the sound, the lip sync, everything is top-notch. I like it. Now, in the same method, you can create prompts, generate the images, and turn the image into video with any other vegetable or fruit. The process is the same as before, and once you find all the video clips, you can edit with any video editor.
But I'm here to help you. I support your body to stay balanced and strong. Give me a chance. Your future.
So, in this method, you can create this kind of talking fruits or vegetable video using ChatLLM team. Alright, now let's move forward to the next niche, viral transformation or construction niche. First of all, we need the prompt. To create the video, I will give you another set of prompts. Just copy the master prompt and paste it here. Once I click the send button, it is asking to get started. I am simply typing start and clicking on the send button. Now ChatGPT gives me some topics or options. I just have to select one of them. For example, I am selecting this one. And here it is. You can see that the LLM model is now generating all the prompts. First, it will generate the image generation prompts and then the video generation prompts. As we want to create a time-lapse video, we have multiple scenes this time. All right, our prompts are ready. Now it's time to generate the images. However, this time, I will create the images and videos using Artlist AI. Specifically, I will use the Artlist AI toolkit feature. This is an amazing feature of Artlist. I already made a detailed video on it. You can watch it from the I button. All right, this is the Artlist AI toolkit interface. As I will create the image first, I am selecting the image generation feature from here. Now, I will copy the prompt and paste it into the prompt box. After entering the prompt, set the image generation model. You will find a bunch of powerful image generator models, along with the Artlist original model. Select which one you want to use. After that, select the aspect ratio, resolution, and other settings, and then hit the Generate button. After waiting for a little bit, I found this image. This is a perfect image for the start frame of our video. I like the quality. I will save the image to the device. Now, let's create the second scene image. To do that, I will copy the second scene prompt and enter it here. Now, before hitting the Generate button, we have to add the first scene image as the reference image. I am uploading the image, setting all other settings, and then generating the image. And this is the second scene image. This is perfect. It really looks like the same place, but a little bit advanced. Now, I will save this image and then start creating the third scene image. The process is the same. Enter the prompt, upload the last scene image as the reference, and then set all other settings. Once done, just hit the Generate button to generate the image. This is our third scene image. Now, in the same method, generate all other scenes. Okay, all the images are ready. Now it's time to generate the video clips. So, I am selecting the video generation option. Now, we have to select the video generator model. You will find all the popular and latest models here. Just select which one you want to use. I think Veo 3.1 for this video. Once the model is selected, enter the first scene prompt here in this box. Now, we have to upload the reference images. I am clicking here and then uploading the first image. Now, as we want to create a seamless video, I need to upload the last frame of the video. So, I am clicking here and then uploading the second image. Once the image is uploaded, set the aspect ratio, video duration, audio setting, resolution, and negative prompt. Once done, hit the send button and wait for some time. This is the video Google Veo 3.1 generates just now, and it looks really nice and realistic. Now, we have to create the second scene. To do that, I will enter the second video prompt first. Once the prompt is ready, I will upload the first frame. This time, we have to upload the second image as the first frame, and the third image for the last frame. Once the images are uploaded, set the settings and then generate the video. Now, in the same method, generate all video clips. Once all the video clips are ready, we just need to assemble them with a video editor and we will get a video like that.
All right, start to pour slowly. Bringing the cage over now. Guide it in straight.
So, now you can create this kind of viral transformation video. All right, now let's move forward to the last but not least niche, survival ASMR video. You may have seen this kind of video lately. They are extremely popular, and look at this channel. They are getting millions of views by making this kind of video. Now, we are going to make the videos. I already put the prompt set in the description. First, we need a video topic. So I will copy the video topic prompt and generate the video topics. And here you can see that we got 30 video ideas. Now we can select anyone from here. Once we have the video idea, we need the story for the video. So I will copy the video story prompt and enter it into the prompt box. Now we have to customize the prompt a little bit. First, we need to set the video duration. For tutorial purposes, I am selecting 2 minutes. After that, we have to enter the video topic here. Just copy one of the video topics and paste it here. Once done, hit the send button and the AI will generate the story for you. Okay, here is our story, and it's pretty good. Now we will generate the image prompt for all the scenes. To do that, I will enter another prompt. After entering the prompt, I will hit the enter button, and the AI will generate all the scenes within a few seconds. And here it is, all the image generation prompts are ready. Now, we will generate all the images. To generate the image, I will use Google Flow. After logging into the Flow account, select the image option from here. First of all, we need to create the character image. So I will copy the character prompt and paste it here. After entering the prompt, set the aspect ratio, image generation model, and number of images. Once done, hit the send button. And this is our character image. That's perfect. Now we have to generate the scene image. So, I will copy the first scene image and paste it into the Flow prompt box. Next, we have to click on the plus icon from here and then select the character image as the reference image. After that, you can select all the settings and generate the image. And this is the first scene image. This is amazing. Now we have to create the second scene, enter the prompt. As the reference is selected, we don't need to change. So, just hit the send button and you will get the image. If you need to keep the environment consistent, you can upload the previous image as the reference and generate the image. Alright, all the images are ready. Now, we need to turn all of them into video clips. So, I will select the frame to video option from here. Now, we have to select the first frame image. I am selecting the very first image. Once the image is selected, we need to enter the prompt. So, I will come back to the prompt guide doc and copy the video creation prompt and paste it into the ChatLLM team prompt box. Once I hit the send button, I will generate the video generation prompt. And here it is, all the prompts are ready. All of them are very detailed. But we all know JSON prompts work well. So, I will convert all of them to JSON format. To do that, I will copy the JSON prompt generator prompts and paste them here and hit the send button to generate all the JSON prompts. And here it is, all the prompts are ready. Now, I will copy the very first prompt. Paste the prompt into the Flow prompt box. Now, you can set all the settings from here. Once done, hit the send button. And this is the video Google Veo 3.1 just created. This looks amazing. Now, in the same method, create all the video clips. Once all the video clips are ready, save all of them to your device and assemble them with a video editor and publish your viral video. So, now you can create this kind of survival video without spending a fortune. Now, you are the new Bear Grylls powered by AI. So, there you have it. Talking fruit for high-frequency engagement, abandoned house restoration for high-value long-form, and survival ASMR for the ultimate chill vibe. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.